This is how I install the camera in a RAV4 Toyota. The cable I put in here all the way through here, all the way down. You cannot see the cable now. It goes inside through here, and then from here I went inside. I don't know if you can see from there. So I went inside and I went to through inside. Make sure don't go with anything can interfere the cable with anything, and then I push the cable here through here, and then come it up here to the cigarette connector. This is the front camera. Okay, now with the rear camera it's the same thing. So I'm going to start the cable same like the other one. I'm gonna go through there, but this time it's gonna go all the way to the back. Okay, so it's gonna go in there, in here, all the way to the back. Now let me show you what I did in the back. Okay, hold on, give me a moment. Now the tool you're gonna need is this plastic tool. This is one of them, and this is the other one. So you have about 5. You can get in the Harbor Freight for $5 or $6, something like that. Okay, that helps you a lot. Now we go here in the back. Now here, after you bring the cable through all the way down here, you need to take this cover here. Just come here, take it out, and in here is come the how do you call to lift the tire when you're gonna change the tire. This come in here, so you have to take it out. And now in here, as you can see, the cable, you have to go through here, this connector here, to go inside all the way to here. Okay, now here you see the cable. This is the camera connector. See, it's connected with the wire that I bring from inside. It's connected there. Okay, now here what I did is I open a little hole, you see, and then I install the camera there. Okay, now the way to pass through this cable to here, as you can see, this is, you can take it out here. It's a rubber, Same thing here. Yeah, you can take it out and put it back, so that's no problem. Okay, so what I did is I use a wire. You see this wire, and then with the tape, you know, black tape, I attach to the cable like this, and then with the metal wire I went through all the way to here, and in there of course I get the camera cable. Okay, so it's not that hard. It takes a little while, you know. Here in Florida it's kind of hot. Now here, to take it out this cover, it's not that hard either. You see I have the cover here. Only this connector is for the light, for the stop light. This connector is go connected to here. Okay, very easy. You just disconnect it. And now, but before anything, before you started to take it out, you need to take this go in these little holes in there. That's why okay, when you put it back there, you go like this, and with the blue tool that I show you, a plastic one, you put in there, and then you start to pulling out. This comes off here like that, and then it's coming this part. It's come here like this. Okay, so first you take this, and then this, and then the other one from the other side. It's come here. So also they come in with a little attachment, plastic one. They go in there. So when you take it out, if this little plastic it comes out, don't worry. So you just put it back. You see, this comes out like this, no problem. You take it out from there, and then you put it back here. And the way you do it, I don't know, you see the tool. The tool has a little something that you can take it out. Okay, where I put it? This, see this part here? This you can take it out. You see? With this, you can take it out. Okay. Now, I already I start the car and they work perfect. Now I'm going to put it back, you know, everything to put back in place. The same way I did it. Take it out, same way, put them back. Okay, so first I have to start with the middle one, and then the one goes on the side, and then of course the cover. So you see all these little plastic attachment, all of them, they're gonna come inside all of this hole. See, all this hole, all over, all around. See, there's another one here. Just push it back. You see, just push it back, and that's it. It's not that hard. It took me half an hour or something like that, because I was trying to figure out how to take this out, because I don't want to break anything. But it's not that hard. So you go very carefully, going little by little until everything comes out. So the rest is just that easy. So what I'm gonna do now, if I'm going to, like I told you before, I'm going to to connect this cable. Sorry, to put the cable inside and then bring it down here. Okay, this is how it looks. You know, the cable, after I insert the cable in this area here, as you can see, back here, inside here, and then here, that inside the rubber, and then come here, over here, and then all the way back. Let me show you here. Okay, you come this way, all the way in here. You cannot see the cable. See inside the rubber here. It's not that hard. You can help yourself with the little plastic tool that I show you. Come here. Let's go under here. Up to, okay, down here, go over here inside, and then come up here inside the rubber, go down, to inside here. I had to put this inside with the cover. So like I told you before, go in there, the cable go through here, and then go inside. Okay, now it's time to install back the cover. Okay, first of all, you have to put this, the one goes in the side first, these two, those two, okay, first, and then the one on top. Okay, just push back like this. Okay, and now I'm going to connect. I cannot, I'm gonna put here the camera, because I cannot do it with one hand. I'm gonna put the camera down here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to connect the cable. Like I told you before, this connector got in here. It's very easy, just push in, and now I have to let me see if I gotta stop the camera because I don't want to break anything, and then I show you right after. Okay. Okay, I already put it back, just to want to make sure everything is fixed. Go around and push it, and they go inside with the plastic attachment. See, everything is perfect. Okay, now we are going to show you how the camera work. Okay, let's close the door to see. You see, hardly you can see the cable. You just come out here and go inside. Now we check the door. See, no problem. Camera is here. Okay, like I showed you before. Everything fixed, okay. Okay, now we're gonna see how the camera work. Okay, this is the front camera. I know you can see from there. Okay, now we are going to see, this is the back camera. Perfect. It was very nice. Okay. Okay, from back again, back and front. So it worked perfect. And you see, everything is like hidden. You don't see the cable, the cable, you know. I think it's a good job. Did a good job. It's hot outside. See the temperature here in Florida is 99. Wow, very hot. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you like it and might help you to install your camera. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.